Okay, our first experiment is going to be the starch test experiment. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to see how starch interacts with iodine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour a little bit of iodine in with our water. Give it a little swirl. You can see it's this lovely yellowish brownish color. Yes, lovely. So now we're just going to add a bit of cornstarch. Just kind of sprinkle it in there. There we go. Give it a little mix. And you can see the color has now become a really dark blue, blackish sort of color. Now the reason that this happens is because the iodine has bonded with the starch in such a way that when exposed to light, the electrons become very excited and they absorb blue light. So what we can learn from this is that we can figure out if an item has starch in it or not. So we're going to see if this potato has starch in it just by dropping some iodine on it. You can see the longer that the iodine is on there, the more it turns black and blue. So we can say that this potato has starch. Do you think this piece of bread has starch? Let's see. I'm just gonna go the easy way and just pour a bit on there. There we go. And you can see that quite clearly, that this piece of bread has starch. It has turned very black. Alrighty. That is our first experiment.